Fortunate, but that's the way. That's the world I'm playing in right now. Okay, after toying with the idea of sticking screwdrivers and rags in there to lock in the cams, I noticed I've got a really big flat right here. Maybe I can get these Milwaukee vice grips in there. Not sponsored, that's just what I have. I'm thinking maybe I can get these vice grips in here and just vice grip on that flat piece right there of the camshaft and use this to lock it in. Let's see if it's gonna work. Let's see if this is gonna work here. Click that on. Whoa! Okay, might be in business here, check. That's gonna lock that cam in position. Moment of truth, Dave, do the honors for us. Fire it up. With what you've done here, this is what you made me do.
I really don't know what the problem is. Oh my God, that was so dumb. Why did I do that? Oil spill, crashed into my bulk oil. Man, that was dumb. Can't believe I did that. The door took a pretty good hit. Looks like it hit that guy right there. Door handle, both of the moldings. That was probably a $2,000 mistake I just made. And to add insult to injury, the door's locked. I can't even get in. The camera was able to see the car was right here. I had the door opened against the post of the lift. I was kind of crouched down. I had one hand on the brake pedal and one hand on the shifter. And, you know, my body was here between the door and the jamb. And I let off that brake and it crept forward a little bit and then it stopped and I thought, okay, we're good. And I took my hand off the brake and away it went. And it folded that door right back towards me and pinched me between the door and the door jamb and kind of knocked me down here on the floor. I'm really lucky that I didn't get run over by the rear tire or worse.
A little bit is wobbled in the wrong direction. There. Got it. This thing's gonna be so nice when it's done. Did I miss the hole? Yeah, I did. I'm over here screwing the wrong. It just, yeah, it wasn't threaded in. Oops. Let me recover that washer that I dropped back there. Now we're screwing the right hole. Oh no!
Oh my God! Hey guys, vegetable oil going in. Gonna fire back up. Hopefully it gets all of the caramelizing from the syrup out of the bearings and passageways and all that stuff.
Oh, that's the right amount.
Oh, you're right.
Just I'd pour it in there. Yeah, 4 quarts. That's what it needs.
Yeah, but what's left in there of the syrup?
That's fine.
We'll break it up.
Oh shit! Get out! It's on fire! Shut it off!
8 ounces. It's going to take a lot. Literally on the money, 5 quarts.
So I don't think this is water-based.
We're walking out of Walmart empty-handed. Walmart was a fail. They didn't. Sign is.
Oh, it's hiring. They're hiring.
This is suspect.
This is really suspect. We came to the right place.
Oh yeah. It can't be water-based.
Can't be
That's it. No water-based. We need 16 bottles total.
All right.
She's gonna let go.
Oh, the oil light's flashing.
Oh, the oil light is definitely flashing. Uh-oh.
The truck?
What's going on, guys? Today we're going to see if my Acura MDX can run on Mountain Dew. Both 2 liters are in. We're gonna start up this Acura and see how long the engine lasts for. Let's do it. Here goes nothing. Started up. She's running.
Rev that thing.
She's stuttering. Oh, she just died on me. She just died on me. Oh, fuck. Let's check the hood.
Then start pouring the Tide inside the gas tank just to show you guys in there. I know it's a little bit hard to see here. Okay, keep going. Now we're just pouring the rest of the bottle here at a quicker rate. And I think that's enough, guys, so we're gonna go inside just to try it out and to see how the car runs. So let's find out what happens, guys. Accelerating. So far, so good. Just see what happens that's in here inside. You hear that? Some gears or something is loose up in there. Just park, guys, again.
Did you smell that? It smells like bleach inside, like it's coming from the...
Let's maybe like inspect it or something?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, there we go, there we go. Hold the gas. And every time this happens, it seems like it just starts back up again, which is so crazy because I've never had this happen before. Look at that. There you go. Car's back in running order. Okay, one more time. Gas it too. So that's gonna be the bleach, the beautiful Clorox bleach. And this stuff just helps your car, guys. Look at that. And I think that's enough. Let's go ahead and just do a little test drive, see how the car handles. I still hear the engine, it's all good. Accelerating. Whoa, that smells like bleach. It smells like bleach fumes, like stop sign. I'm gonna put that entire bottle. Let's pour it in. Delicious. This thing is, oh, there's some smoke coming out. Oh, check it out, guys. Finally, we see the culprit. Look at that smoke.
No mechanics were harmed during the filming of this video, except Wes, but he's okay now.